Noise is always annoying, right? Furthermore, exposure to loud noise may lead to hearing damage, sleep disturbance, productivity decline, poor concentration, and etc. We need to get noticed for loud noise. WS302 sound level sensor provides highly accurate noise monitoring and reports 3 sound level values. When loud noise occurs, WS302 will send an alert and flash a red light to notify users. What's more, WS302 offers various waiting methods. Usually, A waiting is appropriate for quiet environments, while C waiting is for noisy environments. And fast time waiting uses a time constant of 125 milliseconds for measuring unstable noise with large fluctuations. Based on LoRaWAN technology, it's easy to remotely monitor all noise around the city and get insight on the Mileside IoT cloud. WS302, your choice to fight against uncomfortable noise.